Let's get in the mood and enjoy these moments. If you got some troubles, please leave them at your doorstep and make use of all this time. So take your shoes off and come on inside.